Hey, Zip, I'm Bombo
让我
Blast.
扎个松松。
Every day I go to school that likes to help with learning. 1, 2, 3, basic math, very easy. To Baldi's world of fun where no one leaves till educated. Every door is locked and tight. Stay inside till we're graded.
Hey, Pookies.
Students try their best to better their education, comprehend the material. Study Nobody wants detention. We only want attention. Even when life is tough, oddly quarters are enough. This is how we live our lives, searching for the answers inside of every page. And I know wondering if one day we'll finally be free from this cage. Is it okay to have the feeling that maybe there is more to this game? However, now no time to question, so just behave.
Skibbity! Fuck you!
I am Bombo Glass.
Go.
Bombo Glass.
Kom hier, mamma, pappa.
The hallways finding notebooks, so we enter, follow every single rule, or he'll take off his
Haha, no
or
regular.
he is listening.
Anyway, so I have no idea what to explain to myself. Yeah, fuck you.
Hello, I'm
bye.
Bombo Glass. How are you? I'm Bombo Glass. 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 Bombo Glass.
Take time, avoid from every side. Better to leave than be. Follow his philosophy. This is how we live our lives, searching for the answers inside of every page. And now you're wondering if one day we'll finally be free from this cage. Is it okay to have the feeling there is more to this game? However, now just keep behaving. Sweep the halls to escape. We'll have some sacrifices. No room for jealousy. I've got no time to play hide and seek. 'Cause eventually he'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better. Keep behaving. Count till I don't know what counts. Every inch of fear is all that's in vain. Can't understand what's the solution. The problem is a mess in my brain. I'm just around with all the pressure to be human. I know what at stake. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.
It's funny. Yeah, bro, that was absolutely funny. Oh shit!